This is what $479,000 will get you here in Katy, Texas. My name is Alex with Fifth Realty, and today we are looking at this beautiful new construction home built by Newmark Homes. We are in the community of Grange, which is a new community by Johnson Development here in Katy, Texas. And right here, this is going to be a 4-bedroom with 2 bedrooms downstairs, 2 upstairs. This is going to have 3 full baths, a study, a game room, a media room, and a huge covered back patio. So right off the bat, first thing you're going to notice is a very, very long driveway. You can fit about 3 to 4 cars on each side. On top of that, you're going to have your 2-car garage. Got some beautiful wood accents on the outside right here. And notice this little covered part right here. Gives it a little bit more personality. All right, so let's take a look inside. So right off the bat, first thing you're going to notice is it's a very simple linear home right here. So as soon as I come through the front door, you're going to notice that it leads straight into the kitchen and the living room. Right over here, you're going to have the study room, and over here you're going to have the downstairs secondary bedroom. So here's your downstairs secondary bedroom right here, decent size. Get in this corner right here, and this is going to be closet space. All right, so if you got mom, dad, grandparents living with you guys, and you know they can't really take the stairs, this would be perfect for you. All right, so full-size bathroom, no half baths in this house, just full size. And then right over here is going to be your study room. All the floors are going to be luxury vinyl plank, and these are going to be French doors right here. All right. So French style doors, you got the windows that you can look on the inside. All right. Let's first take a look at the living room. Beautiful living area, nice open concept. Dining table would be, of course, right here. Got your couch, TV right over here, and this is your kitchen area right here. So we've got lots and lots of cabinets. This is a very, very tall kitchen space right here. Lots of cabinets right here. You are gonna need, you're definitely gonna need a ladder right here, unless you're 7 feet tall. All right, so extra cabinet space right here. Fridge will go right here. You can fit a pretty good sized fridge. They haven't installed it yet, but they will. Your gas cooktop's gonna be right here, and then you're gonna have a vent hood right here that leads to the outside. Here is your kitchen island. All right, dishwasher. They will provide a dishwasher. They just haven't installed it yet. And you have this undermount sink, single side, and then you're gonna have a nice water filter right here. All right, oven and microwave are gonna go right here, and here is the pantry size. All right, comfortable pantry size. Okay, so lots of natural light coming in. It's about 2:30 p.m. right now. Nice tall ceilings, accent walls right here. And I love what they did right here with the windows. You can see the covered patio on the outside right here. We'll take a look at that in a second, but let's take a look at the primary bedroom located right here. All right, this is a good size primary bedroom. All right. Nice view of the backyard right here. Take a look at that. Take that in, guys. And then right over here, you're gonna have your primary bath. So if you guys are looking for a bathtub and a shower, this is perfect. Bathtub, shower, and then you're gonna have the vent over the shower, which is great, so that it can suck up all that moisture up in the air when you guys are already taking a shower. All right, dual vanity right here. Nice cabinet space. Toilet is going to be right here. All right, just a toilet room. And then your closet space is going to be right here. All right, plenty of storage for you guys. Lots of shelves. Very, very long shelves for you guys to store your things. And then you're going to have a little space right here to store whatever you guys need. Bags, backpacks, luggage, stuff like that. All right. And then linen closet. It's going to be right here. You guys know what a linen closet is. You know, nothing too crazy. Okay, let's take a look at the back patio. Just right over here. So you are not going to have any backyard neighbors. Unlock this door. No backyard neighbors right here. You will have a view of the power lines. If that bothers you guys, there's plenty of other homes that doesn't have a view of the power lines, but the benefit is that you don't have any direct backyard neighbors. You will have side neighbors right here. You got a 2-story house right here. No windows on top though, so you have that privacy. You will have a 2-story neighbor right here. But right over here, no direct backyard neighbors. Yeah. Backyard size is pretty good. You could definitely fit a small pool in here. All right, so enough space for the dogs to run around or the kids to play around. Yeah, feel free to put a playground anywhere in this area. It would fit pretty comfortably. Nice back size. Backyard patio right here, good size. And then you got a gas line right here to hook up with your gas grill. All right, you can probably fit some tables right here, table, 4 chairs, gas grill over here, maybe some extra storage right here to go along with that gas grill. All right, that's it for the backyard. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the home. So 2 bedrooms upstairs, media room and game room. So the stairs are L-shaped, as you can see. You are going to have carpet throughout the whole upstairs. All right, let's get a quick view of that living and kitchen. All right, here we are upstairs. So you're going to have little extra outlets right here. And then this is going to be the game room. All right, secondary living area. And then for you guys that enjoy movies, you're going to have a nice cozy media room right here. The dungeon. All right, and the last 2 bedrooms are going to be right here. So you got little accents on the windows right here. All righty, take a look at that. Good closet space. A little bit, tiny bit bigger than the other model homes that I've seen, other inventory homes. Got your full bath right here. Nice tiles. All right, super simple, nothing too crazy. And then right over here, got the last bedroom. Okay, that's your closet space right here. And then your, close that. Attic access is going to be right here. All right, so no need to, get the light on. No need to go through the trouble of pulling down that ladder and climbing all the way up. It's actually really nice and cool in here. I'm actually really surprised. It's not hot at all. So they've got great ventilation up in here. And before I forget, I forgot to show you guys the garage and the washer and dryer room. It's going to be down here. All right, so your washer and dryer are of course going to be downstairs. So you got some extra storage right here. All right, Harry Potter room, as I like to call it. space right here and a little corner right here for you guys to store things. And then you're gonna have a little coat rack right here, plus a little shelf right over there. And then here we are. Got some extra space right here. Put some shelves right here. And then this is gonna be your washer and dryer room. Get that light on. Washer and dryer. Nice little tile design right here. Very pretty. Okay. And then finally, last room is your garage. 2-car garage. Got some extra storage right here for you guys. Put some shelves up here. And then you're gonna have a tankless water heater, so that's less maintenance. Unlimited hot water for you guys, so you guys aren't gonna run out. I ran into that before with a actual big tank. And then right here is gonna be your electrical panel. It's not gonna be on the outside, it's gonna be inside the garage. That's a really, really big quality of life thing. And then for you guys that drive electric cars, this is great for you. And then right over here is gonna be your sprinkler system. You got a standard rain bird. This is pretty common to see in a lot of homes. It's very good. And that's it for the home tour. If you guys are interested in this home, or you guys would like to know more about the incentives or what it takes to purchase a home in this market, feel free to contact me. My number will be in the description below, or feel free to comment down below. I would love to answer any questions that you guys have. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give it a like and a thumbs up and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.